Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I'm number 12. Today I'll read a story. Lemon Stain. Lemonade Stain. Every summer, under the shade, we fix up a stand to sell lemonade. A stick of cups, a pictures of ice, a spinning of spine to tell the price, a drink of big, a nickel of small, a nickel cup short, a drink glass tall, plenty of sugar to make it sweet, and sometimes cookies for us to eat. But when the sun moves into the shade, it gets too hot to sell lemonade. Nobody stops, so we put things away and drink what's left and start to play. This is my reading. This is my end of my reading. Thank you for listening.